Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. It's me, Mikey. Today I'm going to be doing a front stick down on my hair system. It's become a little bit loose, as you can see, and it is definitely time to just clean up that hairline and re-stick it down. This is the point in your hair system where you don't need to take the whole thing off, or I don't feel like I need to take the whole thing off. It's just the front line that I need to clean up. So I usually do this about a week or a week and a half into wearing my system, but it is a sign that we are getting towards the end of this particular wear and that it will soon be time to take it all off and re-pop it back on. So first thing first, I get all of the hair out of the way and I pull the system back as far as it will go without any sort of resistance. And this is because once you hit the resistance, that's where the glue, is okay, and it doesn't need to be redone. So if the hair system lifts, that's where we need to reapply the glue. One tip I would give you is I would always wash my hair before doing this. It makes it so much easier because you're going to style it afterwards, and the clips tend to make a dent into unwashed hair. So then what we need to do is add a guide with a white eyeliner pencil just to where the front comes to, so we know where to put the glue to, and I rub that off so it's only very light, just because if you get glue over the top of it, you will see it. There's no getting rid of it. Until the glue goes, that white line will stay there. So it's best not to. So as you can see, I just glue where it needs to go. And then I place it down once that has dried. You have to leave it for about 7 minutes is the golden time. And once you get to the 7 minutes, you can then, I use a comb to push that system down into the glue. I find that's the most precise way of doing it. And then of course I blow dry my hair to the style, because we all know Mikey has a bit of a crazy hairdo. I really like the big tall spiky look. So I then gel it, and of course, I don't know if anyone else does that. Let me know if you put gel in your eyebrows. I don't know why I do it. Whenever I gel my hair, I have to put some in my eyebrows as well. Don't know why, but there we go. I don't know where I even saw that. So, and then I mess around with it for absolutely ages till I get it looking exactly the same as it did a few seconds ago, but to me it looks different and better.